Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come with some amazing activities of the letter R or the phonic sound R. R. What sound does a pirate make when he is angry? R. R. What does a pirate say? R. So let's trace R using three different colors. R. R is for rocket. R is for rocket. R is for rocket. R. What is this? R. R is for rocket. What sound does a pirate make? R. R. So what is this? This is the letter R or the phonic sound R. Let's trace this cute little rabbit. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. R is for rocket. R is for rocket. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. Here comes another activity of the letter R or the phonic sound R. Let's trace R. And what is this? Do you like it? Yes, it is a rocket. It is a rocket. So we will trace the rocket using purple color. You can use your own favorite colors to trace this rocket. R is for rocket. R is for rocket. R is for rabbit. R is for rocket. R is for rhino or rhinoceros. Rhino. So let's trace this. Rhino. R is for rhino. R is for rhino. R is for rhino. R is for rocket. R is for rabbit. R is for rhino. R is for rabbit. R. What sound does the pirate make? R. He says R when he is angry. R. R is for rhino. R is for rabbit. R is for rocket. Let's trace all these R. Let's trace these R with different colors. R is for rhino. R is for rhino. Rhinoceros. R is for rabbit. R is for rocket. R. Asked of us, color the images that begin with the letter R. Rain. Rain. Does rain starts with R? Yes, it does. So let's color this cloud blue. Rain. Rain. R is for rain. R is for rain. R is for rose. R is for rose. So we will color this rose pink, and we will color the leaves green. R is for rose. R is for rocket. R is for rocket. So we will color this rocket. Let's trace R, 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 R. Let's trace this R, R, R. Now we have to circle the objects that begin with the letter R or the phonic sound R. Rhino, rhino. It starts with R, so we will circle it. Rocket, rocket. Does it start with R? Yes, it does, so we will circle it. Rabbit, rabbit. Does it start with R? Yes, it does, so we will circle it. Sun, sun. Does it start with R? No, it doesn't. Train. Does it start with R? No, it doesn't. Umbrella. Does it start with R? No, it doesn't. So all the things that start with R here are rhinoceros, rocket, and rabbit.